Hi everybody, so welcome again on this wonderful airfield in Cerny-la-Ferté-Alais. It's the 4th International Model Circus we organize here together with the RGMR, which is an association dedicated to huge models. A really bargain or target goal this year was to organize a show and fair including exhibitors, professional exhibitors, but also flights with the biggest models in Europe and sometimes in the world.
I think I am one of the oldest pilots from the event because I'm doing the La Ferté show since about 20 years now, 25 years. But it's very famous, of course. I think it's one of the famous shows in Europe, and now there is a lot of European pilots coming. The fair also is increasing. It looks very good now, and very professional also, and we really enjoy to fly here.